Hello, my name is José Ortega. I am a lawyer. I am working in Spanish coastal law. And like any another one, I can see the lack of democracy we have, the problems with the quality of democracy while we are suffering. And I think I have some ideas to help. The first problem is concerning the elections. You can see during the electoral campaign, your city, with many portraits of the candidates in the walls. You can see the candidates traveling along the country, and thousands of people hearing what are saying the leaders in Sport Palace and so on. And all this is expensive. The important political parties have lots of money to do that, but you have no money. You can have good ideas, but you have no money. That is not democracy in this moment, in this very moment of the democratic process, because you cannot to found a political party and go to the elections in order to bring your message to the people. Your message cannot reach the people for the simple reason that you have no money. Because of this, I suggest a new measure in order to do not permit the investment of this huge amount of money in an electoral campaign. Electoral campaign must have no cost. No cost. To me, electoral campaign should be done by the way that the candidates and political parties, all the political parties, have a free time in radio stations and television network to say to the people what they want to say. And I am talking about any radio station, not only the public one, and the same with the televisions. Because something that little people knows is that radios and television are using the radioelectric spectrum, which is a public domain. We, all of us, are the owners of the spectrum of this public domain. Radios and television are using. And they are using this space, this public domain, by legal concession, which is a permission of the state saying, okay, you can use the spectrum, but under certain conditions. And I believe we have to put another condition, a new condition, which is you want to use the spectrum, you have to give freely some time to political parties in order that they are able to say whatever they want. Another very important problem is the economical corruption and political corruption. Here in Spain we have high levels of corruption, and apparently it is impossible to avoid it. We have public institutions whose purpose is to prevent corruption, but the practice shows that they do not work. And I have a proposal in relationship with that, which is something very simple. And it is that every bill, every number, every account, every public contract of the government, public institutions, local authorities, and so on, should be in the internet, available in every moment for everyone to see what the political representatives are doing with our money. I think that it is very difficult to get an amendment in the Constitution, but I have an idea, and that idea is the following. I have written something named Manifesto 2012, and this manifesto is only a page in which I have written the chief reforms of the Constitution I think are necessary, and I want to get 20 million firms. If we are able to get 20 million firms, or even 15, no? Or 10. We go to the Spanish Congress, we give all the pages with the films, we get publicity, and in that moment on, nothing will happen, nothing at all. They are not about never, ever to reform the constitution. But we can, in that very moment, to found a political party in order to go to the next electoral process with the only purpose to get the reform of the constitution, and this party goes to the election with only one thing in the political program, which is the reform of the constitution. If we have success, there are immediately new elections under a true democracy in Spain.